Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on Heron's formula. Now in this video we'll discuss some of the applications related to Heron's formula, so which are generally seen in the examination. So you have to watch this part of the video very carefully. Now let's get started for the first introduction. Now suppose that a farmer has a land to be cultivated and she employs some laborers for this purpose on the terms of wages calculated by the area. Let's say the farmer has a triangular field. Now on some part she wants to cultivate, let's say, wheat, and on another part, let's say, she wants to cultivate onions. Now what happened is, if you know how to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, then she can actually calculate the exact area to be cultivated, or she can evenly divide the area. So this is how we can use the Heron's formula. Or let's say many times the fields are in the shape of quadrilaterals. Let's say it's in the shape of a rectangle. Now let's say now this shape needs to divide it into two equal parts. Now if she knows how to use Heron's formula, then she can use the Heron's formula to calculate the area of the different parts like this. So we need to divide the quadrilateral into triangular parts and then use the formula for area of a triangle. So this is the actual application of Heron's formula, where we can use Heron's formula. So let's discuss some of the example related to application of Heron's formula. Now so first example says that Kamla has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter, where she grew wheat, and another triangular field with sides 240 meters, 320 meter and 400 meter adjacent to the previous field. Now in this field she wanted to grow some potatoes and onions, and she divided the field into two parts by joining the midpoint of the longer side. So let's say this is a midpoint, E is a midpoint, to the opposite vertex C, and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the other part. So how much area has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions? We need to find three different areas, and it's given that 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meters square. So we need to find the area in hectares. Right, now first let's say find the area for this part. So let's say area for triangle ABC. Right, now in this triangle ABC we have one side, let it be A, 360 meter, and another side we have B, which is 200 meter, and C, which is 240 meter. Now the next step is we need to find the perimeter. So it will be A plus B plus C, so which will be equals to 360 plus 200 plus 240. So this will come out to be 800. Right, now the semi perimeter is a half of a perimeter, so it will be 800 by 2, so which will be 400. Now we can use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle ABC. So it will be under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So first we need to find S minus A, so which will be 400 minus 360, so which is 40. Then we need to find S minus B, so which is 400 minus 200, so which is equals to 200. Then we need to find S minus C, so which is 400 minus 240, so which is 160. Now we can put the values, so it will come out to be under root 400 into S minus A is 40 into S minus B is 200 into S minus A is 160. Now if you multiply this, let's say 400 times 40 times 160 times 200, so it will come out to be 512,000 and 000. Now if you take under root of this or square root of this, let's say, so answer will come out to be 22,627.417 meters square. Now the relation given is 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square, so this means we need to convert this into hectares. So it will come out to be approximately 2.267 6 hectares approx. So this much area can be used for wheat. Now let's do for another part. Now consider, let's say, triangle ACD. Now in this triangle we have divided into two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side and the vertex. Now first of all, let's find the area for triangle ACD. So in this triangle ACD, it's given A is 240 meters, B is 320 meters, and C is 400 meters. This means perimeter will be A plus B plus C, so which is 240 plus 320 plus 400. So this will come out to be, let's say, we need to add now 240 and 320 and 400, so it will come out to be 960. So we need to find semi perimeter now. So semi perimeter is half the perimeter, so it will be 960 divided by 2, so which is 480 meters. Now we need to find the area. So before finding the area, we need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, right? So S is 480 and A is 240, so it will come out to be 240. Then S is 480, B is 320, so it will be 160. Then 480 minus C is 400, so which is 80. Now area of triangle ACD will be equals to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 480 now, into S minus A is 240, S minus B is 160, S minus C is 80. Now if we times 480 times 80 times 240 times 160, so it will come out to be under root 147456000 and 0. Now if you take under root of this or square root of this, so answer will come out to be 38400 meter square. Now we need to convert this into hectare, so it will be 3.84 hectares. Now the next part is, it needs to be divided into two parts. Now if you see properly, this line EC, we can say EC divides the area into two halves. Why? Because you can see that the base is same and they are between the same parallel lines, so we can say that we need to divide this area by 2. So this answer will come out to be 1.92 hectares, right? So we can say that Kamla will lay, let's say, group potatoes and onion into two equal halves of 1.92 hectares each. This is how we can use Heron's formula in real life example. So let's discuss the next example, example number 2. Now example says that students of a school stage a rally for cleanliness campaign and they walk through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lanes AB, BC and CA, while the other through AC, CD and DA. Then they cleaned the area enclosed within their lanes. If AB is 9 meters, BC is 40 meters and CD is 15 meters, DA is 28 and angle B is 90. So which group cleaned more area and by how much? And we need to find total area cleaned by the students. So let's see how we can solve this question using Heron's formula. Now if you see properly, so this is a 90-degree angle, so this is hypotenuse, so this line is hypotenuse. So first of all we need to consider triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC we need to find hypotenuse, which will be the third side. So we can say that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square So AC square will be, AB square is 9 square plus 40 square. So AC square, AC will be equals to under root 9 square plus 40 square. So AC will come out to be under root of 1681, so which will be 41 meter. So we have AC as 41 meter. Now we can find the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height. So why we are applying this formula over here? Because we are given with angle 90 degrees. So we can apply this formula directly. So it will be 1/2 base. Base we can take as 40. So this can be a base and this can be height. So into 9. So it will come out to be 180 meters square, right? So this is a area of a triangle ABC, or we can say that one part of a students. Now let's say how we can find the area of triangle ACD. Now if you consider triangle ACD, so in this triangle ACD we need to use Heron's formula because there is no 90-degree angle given, or there is no standard triangle given. So let's say AB 28 meters, B can be 15 meters, and C can be 41 meters. So first of all we need to find perimeter. So it will be 28 plus 15 plus 41. So we need to add this. So it will be 28, 15, 41. So it will come out to be 14. So it will be 84. Now we need to find semi perimeter. So it will be half of perimeter. So it will be 84 by 2. So it will be 42. Right? Now we have semi perimeter. Now we can use Heron's formula. So we can say that area of triangle ACD will be equals to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So first of all we need to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, right? So S minus A, it will be 42 minus 28. So when we take away 42 from 28, so answer will come out to be 14. Then S minus B, so it will be 42 minus 15, so it will be 27. Then 42 minus 41, so it will be 1 meter. So we can say that area of triangle ACDB will be under root 42 into 42 minus A, so it will be 14 times 27 times 1. Now if you multiply 42 times 14 times 27, so answer will come out to be 15,876. Then we need to take square root or under root of this, so it will be 126 meter square. Now we have a area of a triangle ACD. Now if you compare, then we can see properly that area of triangle ABC is more than ACD. So we can say that the students covering the triangle ABC cleaned more group. So by how much? So we need to find. So we can say that area cleaned more is 180 minus 126. So when we take away 126 from 180, so the answer will come out to be 54 meter square. Then we need to find the total area. So total area cleaned is 180 plus 126, so it will be 306 meter square. So this is how we can use the Heron's formula to solve the question. Now let's discuss the last example of this video, example number 3. Now it's a very good example, so you have to watch this part very carefully. Now Sanya has piece of land which is in a shape of rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. Now she wants her one daughter and one son to work on a land and produce different crops. Now she divided the land into two equal parts, means this area and this area are equal. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter and one of the diagonals is 160, we need to find area for each of them. So it's a very easy question. So we need not to find a individual area for both. So if we can find the area for one triangle, then we know that Sanya has divided the area of the rhombus into two equal parts. So then the other part area we can directly know, right? So let's consider a triangle ABD then only. So consider triangle ABD, right? So in this triangle ABD there is no 90-degree angle given, so we need to use Heron's formula only. So let's say A be 100, B can be also be 100, then let C be 160. Then first of all we need to find perimeter, so it will be 100 plus 100 plus 160, so it will be 360, right? Now we need to find what? Semi perimeter. So semi perimeter is half the perimeter, so it will be 360 by 2, so it will be 180. Now we can say that area of triangle ABD will be equals to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So we have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A can be written as 180 minus 100, so it will be 80. Then we have S minus B, which is 180 minus 100, which is also 80. Then we have S minus C, so which is 180 minus 160, which is 20. Now this will come out to be S is 180 times 80 times 80 times 20. So this will come out to be, if you times, it will be 230,400 and 0 0. So if you take under root, so it will come out to be 4,800 meters square each, right? So this means each will get how much? 4,800 meter square area to grow the crops. So this is how we can use the Heron's formula to solve different types of questions which are used in real life. Okay, so thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day ahead.